This is my little video essay about a vision of the future in which humanity goes underground and lives in harmony with AI to survive and thrive. So it's called Zion Reimagined, a reference to the Zion subterranean city in the Matrix trilogy. Humanity would be hardened, living subterranean with helpful AI, ROVs, and helper bots. So there's going to be increased storm energy. Don't know who's making it, don't agree. Nobody agrees, right? But we know that it's happening. Increased storm energy means you're going to be safer underground. You're going to have increased heat in the summer. And underground, it's relatively cool all the time until you get to a certain depth, and it's always hot. Which is another possible benefit, because you can make cold with hot if you have a closed loop gas system. That's how all ACs work. So increased heat in the summer, cool underground temperature, and then increased cold in the winter. And of course you have better thermal mass underground, more stuff to absorb heat, so it stays warmer longer. And of course you have the geothermal energy as you get deeper underground. Magnetic field of the Earth is weakening, and possible cosmic radiation would be blocked by the rocks above our heads. So it would be safer underground, even if there was a gamma ray burst or something. Thermal mass of subterranean environment is the best in terms of energy efficiency. No construction method comes close to comparing to the efficiency of keeping energy underground. So getting into what would power it, it would be the small modular nuclear reactor. You see, they're crazy. Capable of powering up to 300,000 homes, and they're only like the size of a Dollar General, right? So using AI here, got your theoretical conceptualization of a small modular nuclear reactor the size of a Dollar General. And we get into even smaller examples of the SMR. So the last energy reactor alone, 20 megawatt SMR, can power 20,000 homes. Small enough to fit in one home. You see, that's an actual picture of it. That's not made by AI. That's the actual picture of the last energy reactor. Credit to the last energy corporation. It's small enough to fit in one home. You can see the guys there welding on it. You can see humans for scale. It's factory built. The entire reactor is built in a factory, allowing for standardized quality and faster construction time. It's got a modular design. Components are designed to be easily assembled on site, reducing construction complexity. And it's got an existing supply chain, which leverages existing nuclear industry technology and supply chains to streamline development and reduce costs. So we'd have AI to manage mining and refining of the uranium. It would delete the danger of mining and handling the radioactive material. There's already autonomous excavators. They use LiDAR and real-time kinetic positioning, RTK. LiDAR is radar, laser radar, using autonomous robot trucks, autonomous robot excavators, and ROVs. So if you wanted to, still have that feel of being out there in the mine or whatever, you get your controller and operate your ROV. AI to manage future site exploration and waste management. So there would be new cave systems to discover or blast/tunnel, and it would be accomplished by autonomous mining equipment and ROVs. See here a picture of autonomous mining equipment mapping, discovering objects in a mine, and the credit is to Carnegie Mellon University. So the AI would be to manage the farming of food. LED light systems would activate photosynthesis. Deep water culture would be the grow media. Ventilation would capture the heat and the oxygen generated by the plants. And this is a big one with AI, genetic sequencing and theoretical growth models, to develop better cultivars of indoor food plants. I see that being huge. So, you could imagine a strawberry chess game, if you will. Think 10 steps ahead of where that strawberry plant is going to be after 10 generations of developing one specific trait. And this would not be genetic engineering. This would be just farming. This would be the way we have developed all the cultivars, all the different varieties of plants that we have. AI could help with that. Here's some pictures developed by AI. I use Google Gemini. I'm a Gemini moon, Gemini rising. I love Gemini. And it shows controlled environment gardens here. So I specifically asked it to show me a picture envisioning a city living off of plants and food stocks grown with LED lights powered by a small modular reactor. And this is the vision it gave me. So AI would assist with daily chores. There would be no snow to shovel anyways, you're underground. But the cleaning and maintenance of the city would be less arduous. You'd have AI to assist with education. This is already happening, this video wouldn't be here without it. So the democratization of information would allow citizens to develop all the intellectual and creative endeavors. Just basically do whatever you want to. You have a bunch of free time. And if you want to get really good at gaming, you do that. If you want to get really good at painting, you do that. If you want to get really good at meditation, you do that. And then finally, everybody dies, but your last years don't have to be boring or lonely. And you'd have a lot of time on your hands with all the, helper bots. And so AI would assist with aging, with matchmaking, companionship coordination, and gentle assistance with daily routines. So that's my video, and thanks for watching.